to look like a frontal, because baby, it's a closure. Okay. The closure is very natural. Now I did customize my closure because I'm so used to using frontals. I decided to customize my closure as a frontal because this is actually my first time ever wearing a closure, and I was just so iffy. I was like, I don't really know how I'm gonna do this. I don't know if I'm gonna like it.
You know, I'm back with another voiceover tutorial thing. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to plug my closure because it's gonna give that natural looking hairline rather than having a very dense hairline, like when you first get a closure and the hairline is super thick. Like, we don't want that. We're not gonna put that on our head because it's not cute, baby. We're gonna thin it out like how you would do a frontal. So basically what I did was I had a spray bottle, sprayed it. I parted the front of, y'all see like the little baby hairs that come on the front of the closure. I parted those away because I didn't want to pluck those yet, but I'm plucking behind that. And my plucking technique, I usually do like, I pluck a little section, skip a section, pluck a little section, skip a section, pluck a little section, and so on. Which is, I mean, I like that method. It gives a very natural look to me. I really don't know any other method, but this is what I do. And this video was highly requested on Instagram, so you guys could learn. But yeah, so basically that's what I'm doing right now. And then it's really simple. If you know how to pluck a frontal and you know like the steps or like just the concept of plucking a frontal, you'll know how to pluck a closure. It's really not complicated. And yes, I also did bleach my knots underneath the closure to give it a natural appearance when you part it. So I did do that also. So basically, now that y'all seen how I pluck behind the baby hairs, I'm gonna comb them back and I'm going to begin plucking the actual hairline because I don't like how straight it is and how thick it just look. That's not a natural hairline. No one's hairline looks like that. So we're gonna thin the front of it out a lot. Well, not even a lot. We're just gonna make it, like, I can't explain it, but y'all are gonna see. Because I don't like that straight line going across. That is not cute, and that is definitely not natural. Now, I use the same method of plucking with the front of the hairline. I pluck a section, skip a section, pluck a section, skip a section. It looks like I don't do that, but trust me, I really do. I just want to make it as natural as possible. So I am going to pluck a little bit more than what I would pluck behind the actual hairline. Because like I said, I want it to be thinner in the front so it's more natural. Now you guys can really see how the hairline is thinning in the front and it's beginning to look hella natural. Let me find out I done said natural about 100 times throughout this video. But literally that is the key to having a natural closure on your head. Because as you guys can tell in the beginning of the video, everyone thought that was a frontal install and it wasn't, y'all. Like, it's a closure and you can still do baby hairs on it. Oh, and by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, but this closure is a 5x5 closure. So on me, it basically went from like temple to temple on me. Y'all look at that plucking. Amazing. It's a closure. Like, amazing. Okay. Alright y'all, so basically I'm just going to pluck the other side of the closure. I'm going to speed the video up some because I'm literally doing the same thing. It's the same concept. Nothing is changing. and I want you guys to see how the closure is going to transform from being very dense in the beginning to turning natural. So yeah. So basically this is the end of the video. I am just showing you guys how natural the hairline looks, like even when it's parted in the middle or the side. Like just look at the hairline. This is a natural closure. Like this is what a natural closure wig looks like, okay? But like, oh my god, yeah, that's beautiful. I'm gonna go in a little bit more and pluck like the left side of it on your screen, but don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, you guys, and I'll talk to y'all in my